Our first technique is blurting. So what you're going to do is you're going to get your jotter with your notes in it and you're just going to have a read at what you need to look over. So for example, I've got my maths notes and I'm just going to have a wee read of them. Once you've finished reading them, you're going to close over your jotter and move it to one side where you can't see it, and you're going to get a piece of paper and a pen and try and write down everything that you can remember from what you've just read. And then once you've finished writing down everything that you can remember, you're going to get your jotter again and compare your notes. You need to remember to take a different colour pen so that you can see where you've went wrong and what you couldn't remember. So I got this one right, but this one I've made a wee mistake and it's actually this. And I'm just going to rewrite it in my different coloured pen so I can see what the actual answer would be. Now you can just do this as many times as you would like until you've understood everything.